Hey, pig, 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 pig. You guys getting hungry? Watch out, watch out. Watch out, move.
Hey, pig, 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 pig.
You're pissing in your bowl.
Okay.
Well, good afternoon and welcome to the homestead.
Yeah, it's not quite afternoon yet. It's a little later, but it's only about 11.
Okay, well, good 11 o'clock then. But we are out here by our pigs, guys. Our pigs are about, well, they've been here about 2 months.
Yeah.
And this little paddock you see behind me, they have outgrown it. They need to get opened into that big area you see behind us, and that's our project for today.
Yeah, they've been training on electric wire all week.
They did. I'll show you that. We have a little bit of electric wire that's on the inside, and that's going to come down. We're going to put new hot wire out for them, and we're going to see how they like their new area. So let's get it done before it gets too hot.
All right.
All right. All right, that's the first thing we have to do.
Yeah, we have to finish cleaning up this netting.
All right, give me this part of it. Oh, let's...
Yeah, it got tangled a little.
Oh,
What?
nothing. It just zapped me. All right, first thing we got to do, this T-post you can see right here, guys. This is in the right way for the hog panel. But to put the wire on with the insulators I have, I need to pull this out and turn it around. So that's what we're gonna do right now.
And the electric fence is off.
And the electric fence is off.
The pigs don't know that because they won't even come to this side.
No. Oh, that came out nicely.
Yeah, there's still a lot of water in the ground over here.
Yeah. And actually, we're gonna move it over a little bit too. All right. I need the T-post driver. There. All right. Bottom one. Top one. All right, now that we got this first T-post run and our insulators on, we need to bang the rest of the T-posts in, going all the way around and see where we're at.
Yeah.
All right. fence is on.
Well, the fence is connected to all the T-posts.
Yeah, and it's connected to the switch. It's not turned on.
Yeah,
So
it's
we
not
have to-
hot yet.
No, we have to take that hog panel out,
Yeah.
those 2 T-posts, and then we'll see if they'll come over here and see if they like it.
Yeah, they should.
Yeah, it's a
Give
big
them
area.
more space. I'm just hoping that this is gonna be.
Should be fine. I'm hoping too.
Sure, it'll be hot enough because that's pretty hot.
Yeah.
Because it's the same system that runs our garden fence, and that's pretty hot.
Yeah, and it's
But-
relatively tight. We'll tighten it up as we need to.
Yeah.
Let's see how it works.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not a hog wrangler.
I know. I just don't want to have to be chasing down pigs.
No, I don't either. Let's hope it works. Let's see what happens. Okay. Can you take that? I'll get the other one.
It's still caught on the hog.
Got it? Take this. Grab low, walk it right up in there. That's a little more, just a little bit. That's good.
It's caught on the fence.
All right. Here, pig, 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 pig. Here, pig, 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 pig.
That's hot.
Come on, pig, 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 pig.
Come on, pig, 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 pig.
There we go. They're all looking. Throw it out there too.
Come on, pig, 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 pig. Come on.
Now throw
Come
the other
on,
one
pig.
past where the fence would be. Yeah. There we go.
But I think if I keep throwing more green in there,
And throw it farther out.
yeah. But I needed to entice them first.
Come on, guys. You can do it. All right, let's try this again. Keep your food out here where they can see it. Come here, pigs. Come on, pig, 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 pig. Pig, 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 pig. Come on.
Hey, pig, 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 pig.
Okay. Got him. Come on, pig, 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 pig. Come on. Come on. Look. Here.
Drop. Oh. Yeah, there we go.
Come Come on, pig, 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 pig. Come on. Come on, pig, 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 pig. Come on, pig, 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 pig. Come on. Here. Look.
Try putting the pan closer to where that grass is and then drag it.
Come on. Come on, pig, 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 pig. Come on, pig, pig, pig. Come on, pig, pig, pig. Come on. Here, pig, 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 pig. Come on, guys. Here.
Try their whole pan, baby. Because if you can entice them to get at least that far, maybe you can drag it.
Come on.
Get the egg. Hey, pig, 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 pig. Come on. You want some egg? Come on. Come on.
Throw the next one outside the area.
Come on. You can do it. Come on, that's your favorite treat.
There we go. He's all the way across. He's going to find the food bowl very shortly. And then they'll all be over there. There we go.
Actually, I think right now they're more interested in the fresh green.
I do too.
The food bowl.
Yeah, they seem to be.
Because when I bring over greens, that's the first thing they go after.
Yeah. All right. They're across the line.
Turn this off because it might
Finally.
be loud on video.
Might be.
Okay.
Does that thing work good?
Well, right now it's blowing a little bit of warm air, but
There's nothing but warm air today.
I know. So, but it does keep you a little bit cooler.
Good. I'm glad.
But standing in the beating sun doesn't help either.
No, it doesn't. But guys, you can see they're over the threshold of where their wire was.
Yeah.
They're in their new area. There's a bunch of wagon tails, so
They look happier.
they do.
Because they have more room.
They look very happy. Oh, they're off and running now. Look at that.
Oh.
That's where we're gonna leave it, guys. Let's see.
Oh, look, they found the mud.
They
Found
sure
the
did.
puddles.
Oh, they're very
super
happy.
happy now.
Yeah,
Aw.
very happy pigs. 3 little pigs, very happy. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.